If you're worried about not having enough money to retire, you're not alone. In a recent Quinnipiac poll, 68% of Americans feel the exact same way. I get it. Retirement planning can be complicated and overwhelming. That's why we created Blueprint for Retirement, a two-part course presented in an easy and understandable way that's perfect for everyone.
What we're trying to do is empower people to do their own financial planning, help them figure out what it's going to look like in the future for them if they make no changes, and help show them what they can do to increase their probability of success in accomplishing their financial goals.
From the basics of building a solid retirement foundation to withstand the ups and downs of the economy and life events, to the more complex details of creating retirement income and tax saving strategies, Blueprint for Retirement has you covered.
What's your net worth? What's your income sources? What are your expenses going to be? What's your shortfall? All of that. So in class, I will teach people how to put all that together and all the things they're going to need to consider when doing this.
This course is taught by a financial professional in a live forum with an accompanying step-by-step workbook. Blueprint for Retirement is designed to encourage audience engagement and discussion, so bring your questions and have them answered.
The biggest thing that the clients get out of our class is the real-life experience that the advisors bring to the table and helping the clients simply get them in a better position and not make mistakes.
It's never too late to learn or start planning for retirement. Sign up today and get the tools, strategies, and knowledge to build the retirement of your dreams.